Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display enclosure. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the power button board to the display panel assembly. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pin and out from underneath the retention tab on the display panel assembly and remove. Place the power button board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the power button board from the static dissipative bag. Tow the power button board under the retention tab and lower it onto the alignment pin on the display panel assembly. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the power button board to the display panel assembly. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.